Happy 2023 everyone! Today I saw two trains, so this is what I got in. The first train of the year I got in is Q185, going from Brampton to Prince Rupert, BC. It was led by 3073 with a really awesome K5 HL horn. And for the mid DPU is 3811. And 183 today has 148 rail cars.
No, so much more.
The next and final train that I got in is CN Q185, going from Montreal to Prince Rupert, BC. It was led by 3300, the class leader of the new AC-34 C6M rebuilds. It also has a really awesome K3L horn. It was originally 2631. Trailing second is 2826. Trailing third is 3166. And for the rear DPU is 3109. This is actually my second time seeing 3300. The first time was at St. John's Side Road last week when it was leading on G874. Oh yeah, 2826 was also on G874 too. 185 today has 161 rail cars. Well, that concludes the short reaction video on New Year's Day. What else will I see this year? Well, we're about to find out. Until my next reaction video, I will see you guys later. Peace out, folks, and have a happy New Year. Hey, please feel free to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos coming soon, if you haven't already. Well, as usual, I really hope you enjoyed this reaction video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you guys in the next video. And that will be it as usual. See ya, guys!